Hello all, I am Shifa Syed from Junadia PU Arts Girls College. Today I am going to talk about rural development. Rural development. Meaning of rural development. Rural development is a strategy designed to improve the economic and social life of rural poor. It is a process which aims at improving the well-being and self-realization of people living outside the urbanized areas through collective process. Rural development is all about bringing change among the rural community from the traditional way of living to progressive way of living. It is also expressed as a movement for progress. Objectives of rural development: to develop farm, home, public service and village community, to bring improvement in producing of crops and animals living condition, to improve health and education conditions, etc., improvement of rural people, to improve villagers with their own efforts, to improve village communication. Problems in rural development: people related, agriculture related problems, infrastructure related problems, economic problems, social and cultural problems, leadership related problems, administrative problems. Rural area, where the people are engaged in primary industry in the sense that they produce things directly for the first time in cooperation with nature. Life of rural people. Lifestyles in rural areas are different than those in urban areas, mainly because limited services are available. Governmental services like law enforcement, schools, fire departments and libraries may be distant, limited in scope or unavailable. Utilities like water, sewer, street lighting and garbage collection may not be present. Public transport is sometimes absent or very limited. People use their own vehicles, walk or ride an animal. People related problems: traditional way of thinking, poor understanding, low level of education to understand development efforts and new technology, deprived psychology and scientific orientation, lack of confidence. Agriculture related problem: lack of expected awareness, knowledge, skill and attitude, unavailability of inputs, poor marketing facility, insufficient extension staff and services, multi-dimensional task to extension personnel. Infrastructural and economic related problems. Infrastructural related problems: poor infrastructure facilities like water, electricity, transport, educational institutions, communication, health, employment, storage facility, etc. Economic problems: unfavorable economic conditions to adapt high-cost technology, high cost of inputs, underprivileged rural industries. Leadership related problem: leadership among the hands of inactive and incompetent people, self-interest of leaders, biased political will. I am the narrator Shifa Syed. I would like to thank and appreciate the efforts of our ma'am, Mrs. Fairoza Ismail Magdum, for guiding and enlightening us. Thank you.